Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this dollhouse room. I'm using the room box from a previous video. If you would like to watch that video, I will put the link in the description box. Start by applying glue to the pink wall like this. I want the dots to fade out, which is why I'm focusing on the upper part of the wall. Now sprinkle some glitter all over the wall and make sure that everything is covered. Let it dry completely and remove the excess glitter. I'm using the lid of a chocolate box for the bed. You might have to use a bigger or smaller one depending on the size of your doll. Cover it in white paper, cut the round edges of popsicle sticks and glue them inside the lid. Leave half a centimeter space between the edge and the popsicle sticks and repeat. Now use small popsicle sticks to make a headboard. Paint the headboard white, glue small popsicle sticks to the end of the bed and paint them in the same color. Turn it around and glue the headboard to the other side of the bed frame. Now take two regular sized popsicle sticks that are as wide as the bed, glue them together and glue them in the center using hot glue to support the mattress. Cut out a piece of thick felt and place it on top. To make the duvet, you will need two pieces of fabric. One should be about 4 centimeters longer than the other. Fold the edge of the small piece over and use a flat iron to hold it in place. Now apply fabric glue and let it dry. Repeat the steps on the other piece of fabric so that they are the same length, and as you can see the flap is much bigger and I'm not gluing it down just yet. Now turn both pieces around so that the good side is facing up. I'm drawing lines on top of the fabric because it helps to apply the glue in a straight line. Glue both pieces together, good side to good side, open the flap, turn the duvet cover around and apply fabric glue to the edges so that you can glue the flap to the other side. As you can see, I left an opening which is necessary to turn the duvet cover inside out. And now put something fluffy inside to get more volume. I'm using a pillow from a previous video and place it along with the duvet on top of the bed. Now I'm cutting an old curtain in half and glue it to a lid using hot glue. Cut off the heads of artificial flowers and glue them to the canopy for decoration. To make a desk for the doll room, stack 5 matchboxes, remove the drawers and cover the outside in white paper. Cover the visible parts of the drawers in pink paper and use a split pin to make a handle. Cut out a piece of foam board, cover it in paper if you like, and glue it on top. Now you will need 2 wooden craft sticks that are the same length and cover them in the same paper or paint them and glue them to the desk. Prepare 9 matchboxes and glue them together like this. Cut out foam board, cover it in paper and glue it to the matchboxes. Now glue little beads to the bottom of the dresser. I'm using a plastic container to make a bin. Place double-sided tape around the container and now wrap jute twine around it. Use the lid, pom-poms and wooden craft sticks to make a chair. Cut out a star from paperboard and poke holes in it. I'm using scissors to make the holes bigger. Once you've tidied up the edges, you can paint the star in the color of your choice, but make sure that you remove any paint that got stuck inside the holes. Now I'm using hot glue to make tiny light bulbs. Take your time when you're doing this because you want the light bulbs to be even. Cut out 12 small pieces of paperboard. As you can see, this time I'm using thin paperboard and glue them to the edges of the star. I want the star to light up, which is why I'm placing fairy lights inside. I'm gently twisting them around each other and then bend them so that they can fit into a very small space. If you are patient enough, you can place one fairy light bulb on top of each hole. Put double-sided tape down first because this helps to keep them in place. I personally think that this looks nicer because the light shines bright and evenly through the fake light bulbs of the star, but you can also just place the fairy lights inside the star and glue the lid on top. I'm just using a little bit of glue in the corner so that I can remove this piece of paperboard and access the fairy lights, and I'm also leaving a small gap for the wire. Last but not least, make a nightstand using a matchbox, popsicle sticks, toothpicks and paint. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow Funny Craft on Instagram. Bye!